1, 2, 3, microphone check. Okay, microphone works well. Hello guys and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I'm going to start creating a library to implement a cart logic. Technically it will contain several methods just to calculate total price, taxes, discount value, service fee values in case if you add one or several items, if you remove some items, and so on. Technically it should replace the same operations when you work in any web store. When you add items to your cart, you see the total price, you see the tax value, and you can apply different discounts to reduce the final total price and so on. But at the beginning of this conversation, let me remind you guys what you have very great opportunity to contact me directly. To do that, you just need to open my YouTube channel, click here to get access to all available links, and you need to click on the first link. It will open a new window with Google Form where you can write your question and send it to me. From my side, I'm going to review all your questions and provide answers in my next videos. So, what we are going to do? We are going to create a new JavaScript library. I'm going to create a new JavaScript library and publish it in npm.js.com website. And this library will contains a logic to work with items in the cart, calculate their total price, calculate their tax value, and so on. So let's do it. Let's open GitHub first and let's create a new project. Let's create new repository, cart. This library is based on JavaScript language and it contains methods to would emulate the behavior of the cart when adding or changing items in it. It will be public. Let's add readme file. Let's use node format. Let's use MIT license. Let's create repository. Done. Now let's clone this project. Here in GitHub desktop. Okay, and let's create a new branch. Let's call it day 1. Publish. Let's run Visual Studio Code. Okie dokie. Let's create initial parts. Index.js. library. Too early. Let's run first npm init. npm init. How we are going to call it? Let's keep it test comment just git repository. Okay, now let's play a little bit with keywords. Okay, what else we can add here? Okay. Done. Now let's copy from previous projects such files like settings for prettier. Done. Let's create two folders, library and tests. Here let's add just test.js, and here let's add new file cart.js. Done. Now let's install npm ingest. Okay, and let's change this file cart. Too early cart. Too early. Okay, and what we are going to do here today, we will work with classes. We are going to create several classes to work with cart, its items, taxes, and so on. So what we are going to do, let's open JavaScript classes. And first class, it will be tax. It will contain methods. And first initial method is constructor. It will use name, tax rate, percent value, created date, and story. Let's use only name and tax rate, and this function will create a new object with fields name and tax rate percentage value. It's use done, and this tax rate multiply on. Okay, done. Another class, it will be product, and it has its own constructor. It will use cost, price, name, taxes, and what else? Discounts and service fees. What else? Tax included. Okay, and let's do constructor with cost equal cost, with price equal price, with name with taxes equal taxes, and by default it will be a blank array, empty array. With discounts it will be discounts. With service fees tax included. It is tax included. By default it is false. And also we use quantity, right? Done. Now let's create a new class cart, and let's create a constructor for it. Constructor will contains items, discounts, service fees, tax included, prevailing tax rate percent value. What else it will have? UUID. Okay, let's do this. with prevailing tax rate percent value. With tax included items Okay, what else we could do here? Let's install one of my libraries. I think we will reuse random data generator. NPM QANSIGLIERE random data generators. Okay, and what we will use here, let's use var require QANSIGLIERE. And what do we have here? We need to use this one method. And here we will use this UUID equals okay. Now we are going to create UUID generator. Okay, let's copy these two values. Okay, and let's imagine how many items we have here. Okay, now it should work. What else we do? We do two methods with created date and with updated date. To work with date, we will use embedded date mechanism. Okay, let's use this one method. Okay, and export models. Oh, models export. Tags. Product. And cart. Done. And let's reuse it here in the index. For require library cart JS tags product and cart. Done. Let's create a new tags. Console log JSON stringify from new tags. Brief 8873. Done. Here let's create a new product with 0 cost, price 285, name Apple, one blank. Okay, and let's create a new cart. What should we have here? Prevailing tax rate value. Okay, tax included false. Other items can be skipped. And let's run this index file. Okay, we can see what tax has been created. Cost product has been created, but there is a problem with cart itself. Okay, and let's run again index. Perfect. As you can see, we have created it, updated it, UUID and items. Let's make one small change and let's call it applied discounts, applied service fees. Okay, and applied items, taxes. Done. Here we have also applied taxes and quantity default value is 1. Let's also add such values. And the first step has been completed. We created 3 different classes for items, for taxes and for cart itself. In next video we are going to add additional methods to each of these class to emulate the behavior of the cart in any shop. What we are going to do today, we are going to merge these changes to our repository. Let's push changes. Done. Let's choose this one. Here in the settings for the cart, let's choose option to remove head branch. Let's create merge request, added base classes to emulate the cart behavior. Create. And let's merge changes. Done. Let's open our project. Let's create a new first release for it. View text. Releases, create a new release. V010. Added base classes for the cart. Okay, let's add new tag 010, create a new tag, publish it. What should we do next? Let's do NPM publish access. Couldn't find, sorry, let's refresh it. Done. Refresh it one more time. Done and done. So now you should be able to see this basic class in npm.js.com. Okay, probably that's it for today. Thank you guys for your time and have a nice week. Bye guys.